So previously we can edit the data and we can delete the data, but we need to still fix the image one. I think that'll be in next tutorial. We are not doing this one, that fixing in this part because I don't want you to be complicated with the following the Git branch, and then I don't want you to get complicated with the messing around and then jumping over all over the place. So the basic thing is, if you're following simplicity is the best to understand. So that's my motto, trying to make simpler for someone to understand. So this part, go to this tab, then change this one to 07, activating and deactivating branch. And then go to our one, and then inside the include, open this guy. So this is where what happens when you activate your plugin. So you need to do all the things. You need to prepare everything. I mean, to when you when you want the user activate your plugin, so you need to prepare all sorts of things that initialize. So in here, we knew that we can create the tables, and we can execute the SQL query, and we can do all sorts of things as a developer. But think about the everyday ordinary people that they don't even know what's the hack. So they don't even know the SQL, they don't know where to put, they don't even know how to read the code. I mean, most of the people, think about, so you consider most of the people as a developer, most of the people as a, user. That means they don't know anything. That means you need to prepare everything to convenient for themselves. So you need to take care of your customer, even though they knew something, and then you need to make their life easiest. So this is what Shell will be doing. So we knew that you follow this part, and then we knew how to use PHP MyAdmin, or we knew how to use MySQL Workbench, and we can do all sorts of things, but the user might not. So that's the drama. So just open this guy. So plugin activate, copy line 7 to 20, 13 lines only, and then go back to our project, and then where are we here? And then give it space, tap, paste, and then that will do that. So basically, we are calling WPDB, and then we create a table, call it this guy, and then we execute the query. That's how you execute the query, right? So make sure you use prepare because of the SQL injection, and then open the deactivate plugin one, give it a little bit space. So we knew that our plugin create a table. One is it activated. So that mean we need to delete the table when the user deactivated, right? So go back to copy line 7 to 11, 711, department store, and then save, and then go back here, refresh, and then just so you go to your MySQL Workbench or your PHP MyAdmin. So make sure you refresh this guy, and then the show will begin. So go to your plugin, okay, this is our plugin, and then deactivate it. we just wait. Okay, now go back to your PHP MyAdmin or MySQL Workbench and then try to refresh, and then we don't have this guy anymore. So to verify that, trying to execute the query. So we got the error there. We got the error. Sorry, my computer is slow because I was recording. I'm using excessive GPU. So let's say that the table doesn't exist anymore. So that's good. That's what we want to do. And then go to your project. No, I mean WordPress backend. So try to activate. Hopefully. Okay, just forget about this one. We have fixed up. It's already fixing back. So one that's already activated, right? This is our guy. So we didn't have any data and any image. And then go back to our MySQL Workbench, and then make sure you refresh. So this is our guy. So we activated that. How we do? So I think this tutorial is only for that guy, and then next tutorial we will do this guy. So we'll fix this one, and then I show you a bunch of other things you have to be aware of, and then we're finishing this plugin off by next tutorial. And then as usual, if you found something, a technical glitch, please let me know. I will record my video again, or I will edit it. Otherwise, same as this guy, please contribute at the YouTube contribute for the YouTube community. So see you in next tutorial.